Create an art and creative services website for free using Squarespace. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free. So this is the main page of squarespace.com, and you click on get started to start creating your website. And here it takes us to this page where we can choose templates to help us with creating our website. So it makes the job very easy with those pre-made templates. You can even find a template that matches your requirements, and you can just take that template, change some headlines and a logo, and it will be good for your own requirements. So here we can filter by the type of the website, if it's an online store or a portfolio or things like that. So we can go with services, and we can also filter by topic: art and design, health and beauty. So let's go with art and design, which is our domain or our niche. So let's scroll down to see what can we find. So here are some templates that the website finds and thinks it suits us. Here we have some woodworking studio for honing your craft, for architecture, another one for digital product agency, another one. So I think I'm going to choose this one I'm not going to choose it. So let's choose one of these. So I'm going to choose this one. It looks pretty good for our niche. So let's click on preview to see how this template looks. We can just click on view demo site to see the site in full width, and here we can check our website or the template to see if it fits us and if it fits our desires and requirements. So I like this animation that the website has. So wait to show you again. So I like that. So look guys, it has this animation as you can see. So that's pretty smooth. So I'm going to choose this website, and you can just add your title and your logo, and your website will be good to work with. So here they will request us to give a title for our website. You can always change that title, but for now I'm going to give it the title which is my niche, because I don't want to get mixed with other websites that I have, because you can create multiple websites using squarespace.com. So I want to organize my work. So I'm just going to click and paste my niche, which is art and creative services, and then I'm going to close these tabs. I don't need them anymore. You can always skip that step of giving a title for your website. For me, I just did it. And as you might see in our left, you have here some sections. So I'm going to explain each one. So I'm going to start with website, where you can create pages or adjust the pages that you already have or delete them. And the next section is commerce, where you can add products, or you can set other ways to sell, like memberships and custom merch. You can manage your customers, inventory, your payment processors, and subscriptions. If you offer subscriptions, then we go to marketing, which is pretty obvious for your email campaigns and SEO appearance, meta pixels, and ads. So the website is pretty easy to work with. And here we have scheduling. If you are in the appointments business or meeting, if your niche requires setting appointments and meeting, like a lawyer or a psychiatrist or stuff like that. Here you have the asset library where you can upload your files, your pictures and images that you want to use on designing your website. You can just upload them here and use them later. And here you can see your analytics. You can see your chart where you have the sales, traffic, conversion rate, and your revenue and orders. And also you have the profiles where you can manage your clients' profiles. And last but not least, settings where you can set your domains and your Google Workspace. Also you can set your site's availability, change it from private to public. Also you can change the site's languages, and you can always set your store payments if you want to add your PayPal account or your Stripe account or Square account, also if you are from the United States only. And also you have the store currency if you want to change that. So let's go back and let's check the edit section, which we can edit our website. So here we can see the website goes full width to give us more space to focus on editing the website. So here just give it some seconds, and you can see this add section buttons and add block and edit section, duplicate, remove, and you can just work with this settings until you adjust your design and make it as you want it. So here you can change your site's header, you can edit it, add a logo, and change the color if you don't like it, adjust it in the mobile view and in the desktop view also. So you can play with these items until you find the one that suits you best. And then you can change text also by just clicking on the text. You can delete the text or change it to something else, change the color, change the width of the text, make it look like a quote, or delete the text. And in the top right you have here the site styles where you can change the fonts and the colors, animation, spacing, and the shape of your buttons. As you can add your image blocks or edit them. So that was it guys for today's tutorial. I just wanted to make it easier for you to work with using squarespace.com. So I hope I made things easier for you. If you found this video useful, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.